Teacher, can I have a box of crayon, please? Hello, welcome back to the show. So my sneaker collection, as you've seen in my previous videos, are very diverse. I collect almost every type of sneakers, but my obsession with sneakers actually started with basketball, specifically Jordan brand, which is why I exclusively only buy Jordan basketball sneakers. There's been a few instances I was looking at getting pairs outside of Jordans. I believe it was the KD9 Elites, which I almost got, and the Kobe 9s University Red and the Bruce Lees. So those are actually pretty nice, but again, I did not buy them for some odd reason. Probably it's because of money, or I was looking at other sneakers at the time. So I actually don't own any other basketball sneakers aside from Jordans until now. So the pair you see right here are Donovan Mitchell's second signature sneaker with the 3 stripes. And I have to be completely honest, I actually don't know Donovan Mitchell through basketball. I only know him through his sneakers. So his first signature sneaker was pretty bad. It's actually pretty ugly, but that's my opinion. Some people might like it, some people don't. So this pair are actually one of 3 packs that was issued under the Crayola pack collab with Adidas and Donovan Mitchell. So the Crayola collab was actually inspired by his mother, who is actually an elementary school teacher. So as you can see, the Crayola logo at the bottom sole here, as well as on the tongue, and the words "free to create" right here. There's actually a spider logo on the heel tab, because I was reading, apparently the guy has spider sense on the court. He knows where the ball is. I don't know, I've actually never seen him play. So he actually has another pair that actually emphasizes the spider sense, but that was again but ugly. I didn't even bother getting those. So the Dawn number 2s actually has a midsole similar to the Crazy Boost You Wear, or BYW, and the full-footed bounce cushioning. Let's see here. Beep, 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 beep. The material on the upper is actually made out of mesh, which makes the sneaker quite comfortable and quite breathable. And I actually wore these in the store, and they are quite comfortable for a bulky basketball sneaker, but I would not recommend you going on long walks with this. I first saw this pair on Adidas's website, and they were on sale for about 480 ringgit. I was only drawn to it because it was yellow. Duh. I told you, I like loud sneakers. But from the pictures I saw online, I wasn't really ready to drop 480 ringgit, because the yellow macam off sikit. I don't know, it's my monitor code, probably. Then a few weeks later, it went down even further to 339 ringgit. Tempted, but it's still a hard no. Then I actually went to Pavilion to check out Adidas's new flagship store, Master 2, before MCO, and I saw them sitting on the shelves. And the yellow, I don't know, it just looks way better in person. I don't know, just look at it, right? This is why I always still prefer brick and mortar shopping sometimes, because I can actually go to the store and see the product personally, instead of relying pictures online. Sometimes pictures doesn't really do it justice, so you need to kind of hold it in your hand to kind of see the actual final product. So I actually decided to pick the pair up because it was already cheap and murah. But lo and behold, as I was about to pay, they actually told me because it was my birthday month, I got another 20% off. So I actually paid 270 ringgit for the pair. So I'm always very happy to get sneakers for cheaps, and I'm very happy that I managed to snag this. I'm not too sure if I want to get the red one and the blue one. I believe they are still on sale at Hoop Station. I believe I've seen them sitting there. The color, the Mera and the Biru, not so much, but this one just really stood out. So I really had to get my hands on this, and I'm quite happy that I actually got this for super cheap. Well, that's our show for today. I hope you enjoyed the sneaker unboxing. And as always, stay safe and do all those nice things and ikut SOP. Masuk kedai, make sure you use your mask gesture, scan your temperature and all that. And I just want to wish everyone a very happy Hari Raya for those who are celebrating. And I will see you in the next one.